So dear students, we are going to do some questions from exercise 4.3 class 9 maths, and question number 3 is, if the point 34 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. We have the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7 and point R34. This point means actually it is x and it is the y. So value of x is equal to 3 on xy plane. Always first value is abscissa x, second is ordinate y. So second is y is equal to 4. Put all the values here. 3 into y is 4. A into it is x is 3 plus 7. So check once again. x के प्लेस में 3 रखेंगे, y के प्लेस में 4. So 3 into y is 4 equal to a is a into x is 3 plus 7. So here 3 4 are 12 equal to 3a plus 7. So it is 12, 7 come this side, minus 7 equal to 3. After subtracting it becomes 3a. So 3a equal to 5. Therefore a equal to this 3 multiplied here goes that side and divide this. A is equal to 5 by 3 is the answer of question number 3. So see next question. Now see the question number 4 is, the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer the fare is rupees 8 and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking distance as x kilometer and total fare is y. Write linear equation in this information and also draw the graph. तो पहले समझो क्वेश्चन को. The taxi fare in a city like that for the first kilometer, अगर कोई सिटी में जाना है तो जो टैक्सी फेयर इज टेकिंग 1 किलोमीटर अगर जा रहा है, 1 किलोमीटर का फेयर है रुपीज़ 8 एंड सब्सक्वेंट का मतलब है जब दूसरे किलोमीटर में जाएगा. सो फेयर इज रुपीज़ 5. सो हाउ टू राइट दिस इंफॉर्मेशन in the form of linear equation. So also it is mentioned here total fare is y. It is written total fare is rupees y. Therefore if total fare is y और फर्स्ट किलोमीटर का भाड़ा लग रहा है, फर्स्ट किलोमीटर मतलब जब 1 किलोमीटर जाएगा तो पेइंग रुपीज़ 8 प्लस सेकेंड किलोमीटर में जाएगा. सेकेंड किलोमीटर का मतलब है कि 1 किलोमीटर जाने के बाद फिर इधर 1 किलोमीटर, दैट मीन्स 2 किलोमीटर में 1 किलोमीटर तो चला गया. रिमेनिंग मीन्स 2 किलोमीटर माइनस 1, दैट मीन्स रिमेनिंग आल्सो 1 किलोमीटर. सो डिस्टेंस इज गिवन हियर x किलोमीटर. तो सपोज इफ डिस्टेंस इट इज x किलोमीटर, तो x किलोमीटर आउट ऑफ दिस x किलोमीटर यहाँ से x किलोमीटर गया तो जो दूसरे में इन करेगा तो 1 किलोमीटर कम होगा, दैट मीन्स x माइनस 1. चेक हियर टेकिंग डिस्टेंस एज x किलोमीटर एंड टोटल फेयर रुपीज y. सो फर्स्ट 1 किलोमीटर का भाड़ा 8 है और टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना है x, टोटल कितना है x में से 1 किलोमीटर माइनस हो गया, दैट मीन्स x माइनस 1 एंड इट्स फेयर इज नेक्स्ट किलोमीटर के लिए भाड़ा कितना है फेयर रुपीज़ 5. सो रुपीज़ 5. सो नाउ सॉल्व दिस. y इक्वल टू 8 1 8 प्लस दिस 5 इंटू एक्स 5x माइनस 5 1 5. तो फर्स्ट वी कन्वर्ट इनटू लिनियर इक्वेशन. सो इट इज y इक्वल टू 8 minus 5 it is 3 plus 5x, or we can write like this 3 plus 5x equal to y. म्यूचुअली इंटरचेंज किया So this 3 plus 5x minus y equal to 0, and our linear equation in this form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. It is the general form of the linear equation. So first of all we write 5x, this minus y, it is plus 3 equal to 0. So it is the linear equation in two variables. ये हो गया linear equation, linear equation. So it is answer. And also we should also draw its graph. So इसको ग्राफ भी ड्रा करेंगे before this. So let's see here, our equation is this 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So we make one table and take 2 or 3 values to draw the graph. Here x, here write y. We take 2 or 3's value is sufficient here. So let x equal to 0. So 5 into 0 minus y plus 3 equal to 0. 5 0 0 minus y plus 3 equal to 0. It is minus y plus 3 goes that side, ये भी हो जाएगा minus 3, minus minus cancel, y 3 हो गया. तो x 0 putting y we getting 3. Now we put next value. If we take x is equal to 1, we put here, so 5 into 1 minus y plus 3 equal to 0. It is 5 1 जा 5 minus y और plus 3 उधर जाएगा तो हो गया minus 3. This minus y equal to this minus 3 and it is plus going that side minus 5. तो minus y equal to minus 8, minus minus cancel, y equal to 8. तो x is 1. After putting this we are getting y as 8. तीसरा नंबर पे रख सकते हैं. Let x is equal to 2. So 5 into 2 minus y plus 3 equal to 0. 5 to the 10 minus y equal to plus 3 को transpose that side. ये हो जाएगा minus y equal to, it is minus 3, ये plus 10 इधर जाएगा तो minus 10, minus y is equal to minus 13, minus minus cancel, y is equal to y is 13. तो x को रखा 2, y क्या पाया 13, and we plot these values on the graph. So let's plot. For the students we will try, we will make the plot on the graph paper. ये हो गया y. So here origin 0 0, 1 2 3 4 5 plus, upper side also plus, this side negative and down negative. So first we take x is 0, x is this 0, y is 3, this value 0 में 3, x में 1 और y में 8, this value 8, y में this 8, this finish. 2, x is 2, y is 13, x में 2 y में 13, x में 2 y में 13 means we can make some other values. We can take here 13, 2 में 13 ऐसा लगाएंगे स्केल और 13 तक जाएंगे. 13 means it is coming here, it is, and we join these two lines. So this value is 0 3 0x 3y 1 8. It was 1 bit and it is 2 13. So it is the graph of this question, and the question was, we write here equation on this 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So it is the complete solution of this question. Remaining you will try yourself.